Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel, or back to the channel, or whatever it is. But no, I hadn't made any work related videos here in a while, so here you go. This is what I've been up to. Working on equipment. But I come in this morning, and the boss and the operator told me that, he said, man, he said, try and keep you in work. He said, we've blew a hose on the excavator up underneath the belly pan, which sucks because, for one, it's hard to get off, and the other one is I made the belly pan, and when I measured them out, there was a bunch of brackets and stuff, and I didn't have the excavator to go like right there with me as I was making it. And I knew there was some brackets under there, so I just guesstimated, and I ended up having to space my holes out all weird. And I wanted to make it to where no matter what, all the bolt holes lined up, no matter which way it was turned or twisted, but it didn't happen that way. So, yeah, that's where I'm at now. So it's hard to get back on and off. Like, it fits good, don't get me wrong, but it does fit good. Look, here's that little Olsa toolkit that's missing half the stuff. I got some Harbor Freight Quinn stuff in there now, but I can't remember what size this is. It ain't that one. Man, I hope I ain't gonna walk back to the truck. I had to walk a long way to get out here. All right, I think that's what that is. But yeah, I don't know, man. I've been busy. I've been trying to make videos. I'm trying to get a line board kit lined out. And I might, hopefully within the next week, I'll have it figured out, and maybe I'll have the line boring kit within the next month. That'd be good. That would be real good. Before anybody makes fun of me for using DeWalt, I like DeWalt. And I mean, it's pretty stout. Oh gosh. It's a stout gun, and I could trade it out at my local Lowe's instead of having to go to Home Depot or wherever else you can get them at, because the closest Home Depot to me is freaking hours. Yeah, I don't even know where this thing blew at. He just told me that it blew. Let's see here. Alright, well, I won't keep you guys bored with this, but I'm going to have to dig this out so I can get underneath there. But let me get all this stuff dug out, and then all that belly pan and stuff down, and we'll take a look in there and see what we got. Well, y'all see the problem? That wasn't hard to find. The damn end come off. Like, where the freaking end is crimped on the hose has blowed plumb off. That's not worth crap. Oh, let's see where oh my gosh. There it is. There it is. But wherever they got this hose made, because there's not a very old hose. I think I've done replaced that one once. I think they need their money back, don't y'all think? But anyways, let's see if we can get this thing off and go from there. Alright guys, tell you what I'm gonna do. Instead of fighting to get that freaking fitting off of that, I know it's a 90. It's the same size as this one, so I'm going to take whichever one it is of these off, and then just fight with that whenever I get the new hose and fish it through and all that, because there's no sense in fighting to get that off when I got to get right back underneath there. But let's see if we can get this stuff off right here. These things are kind of aggravating, but I'll show you a trick that I do to get them off usually. But let me get it set up here. Well, usually I'll take this hero part. I'll leave you guys a link in the description for this. These are Crescent brand Allen sockets, Allen plugs, whatever the hell you want to call them. But it's got that little small Allen like set screw in there. You can pull this out. You can just take a 12mm wrench and put on it. Oh man! But like a dumbass, I left my 12mm little boxed-in wrench in the truck. I had it laying there, but luckily these things aren't very tight. Oh, as I can get it. Please don't round off. Oh, thank God. Okay, let's get the rest of these off right here and see what's what. Well, probably why it's leaking in it. Whole end blowed right the hell off. But anyways, it'll go back the same way. Just through there, tighten that up, and I'll take the one off the inside. Put the belly pan back on. I won't bore you guys with all that stuff. But if you want to see more stuff like this, drop me a comment, let me know. But if you like seeing it, just let me know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and all that good stuff. And I'll catch y'all next time.